Hi folks, Charlie Shelton here, Zippity Doo Dad. I'm back at Universal Studios Hollywood for past member previews of the new Studio Tour 60th Anniversary experience. It's got a few new things on the back lot. It's got the return of Earthquake after more than a year of being closed, and there are photo ops all over the place. Let's take a look.
Who's not having fun? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Get out. Now, a few days ago, we got a brand new dinosaur. Yes, she's chilling inside of this She should be chilling inside of this paddock right over here. We got a giant T-Rex. Her name is Queen Rexy. Look, she's right there. Oh wait, where's she? That's weird, folks. Rexy should be right there. Anyway, sorry about that. We usually have Queen Rexy over here. There she is! That's new. That's really cool. I love it. They just put that there. That's awesome. Welcome to my favorite part of the tour, the Jurassic Park area of our tour. To Jurassic Park. One of my favorite picture cars, the Mobile Lab from the Lost World Jurassic Park. But can I spoil something for you though? It's also made out of wood. When you get to the back of it, you can see the wood pieces that are literally falling off. Oh, look at that cute dinosaur eating those intestines. Oh no! I'm kidding. It's a Allosaurus. Alright guys, let's all sing along to the Jurassic Park theme song. Here we go. That is the time machine right there. Hi Doc! Woo! Guys, it's Doc Brown!
Welcome to Hill Valley, California, Courthouse Square. From 1885 to 2024, this charming little town stood the test of time. Good to see you, my friends. Oh, don't forget to re-elect Mayor Goldie Wilson III. Progress is his middle name. Are we ready for a little time travel? Yeah. Are we ready for some time travel? Yeah. Okay, driver, you heard it. Let's get it up to 5 miles an hour, 6 miles an hour, 7 miles an hour, 8 miles an hour.
We totally heard everything! Woo! Guys, that is a very big treat.
See you in the future.
This is not for us. Guys, this has been closed for over a year. You guys are some of the first people. Remember earlier when I told you they stopped us and we might be doing something different? Well, this is it right here. This is part of the 60th anniversary celebration. We redid our... Now, it's not going to shake. Let's start there. Sorry. I should have started. We're just in here so you can take a look at it, but it's not going to shake because... Wait, no, stop. No, they told me it wasn't going to shake. I'm scared. Guys, again, this will be taking the tour for a long time. We're actually doing a reverse route. If you've been on the tour before, we go out this way, but we're gonna go reverse. Now, who thinks this is a real airplane? Who thinks this is a fake airplane? This is a real Boeing 747 airplane that was bought just for the production of War of the Worlds. It cost filmmakers $60,000. This is the original Psycho house from Psycho. There's an urban legend that if you look up at the second story of the Psycho house, that you can still see Mother. Hey, Mom. Hi, Mom. Hey. Oh, there she is. Look at her rocking out. Maybe a little sunscreen next time. Folks, I don't think you get what's about to happen. Because none of you are supposed to be experiencing this, but the universal gods, the studio tour gods, decided to bless you today. If I'm not mistaken, for the first time in almost 60 years, we will be getting off of the tram and we are going to be walking around this area right here.
So when we get off the tram, we go backwards through the War of the Worlds set. You go backwards through that, past the Psycho house, and pull down in front of the Psycho house to the Bates Motel, where Norman Bates is there to greet and scare guests. There's a Hollywood sign photo op, which is in conjunction with the actual Hollywood sign, which celebrated its centennial just recently. So there's a small replica of the Hollywood sign. There's a shot in front of the Psycho house, and then you go explore Bates Motel before you go around the corner, and there's even more photo ops with Fast and Furious cars. There's Jaws hanging upside down, not the real shark, and then the King Kong hand photo op. So there's a lot of different things to see, and then there's even a brand new photo op as you're exiting the tram.
Over the past 6 decades, the studio tour has taken guests on an amazing behind-the-scenes look at a movie studio in a way that only Universal can. I hope that you had a great time today, and on behalf of everyone at NBC Universal, thank you for joining us to celebrate our diamond anniversary. Here's to another 60 years.
Thank you guys so much for joining us. I hope you enjoyed it. I will be coming back here. There's a special media event coming next week where we're going to see all of this again in the evening, and then there's a big party that we're going to go to. So we hope you'll join us again next week. Thanks for stopping by.